Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this laundry detergent, and it was sent to us by Active for us to check out. I've been using this for about the last 2 weeks now with my kids, and I've been quite pleased with this. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. Gets those nasty smells out. A couple of them play sports, and if you're familiar with kids and playing sports, you'll know that it makes the clothes smell a little weird. This stuff lasts a long time too. Look at that little scoop. That's all you need. If you have like a larger load, of course, you might need 2 of these, but I've only used one, even with like larger loads and stuff. I watched some stuff on YouTube or something like that one time, and they said use way less, and that's what I've been doing. Pretty much been using way less laundry detergent on anything we clean, and it seems to do a fantastic job. That's the same for this. Does really great. Really big size here. Says up to 90 loads, which, like I said, as long as you're conservative with this and everything, you should easily get that 90 loads out of there. Cool thing here on the back has like a little one-way valve. So like if this gets squeezed or anything like that, or during shipping, you know, it gets handled maybe a little bit too rough, that will just squeeze and let the air out. You don't have to worry about this pouch popping. I thought that was kind of cool. So maybe sort of a nerd thing for me, but I thought it was cool that it had a one-way valve on there and let the air leak out of that. Probably good as far as keeping this fresh and keeping it from caking up and stuff as well. So overall, like I said, I've been very pleased with it. Really good stuff, especially if you got some stinky ones around the house. So go ahead and check this out.